Welcome. On this channel, we learn sewing in the simplest form, step by step for beginners. Today, we are going to do a tutorial on how to sew scrunchies from fabric scraps, different colors and texture. Let's go and cut on the table. 18.5 inches, width 8 inches. We'll now go to the sewing machine to do the sewing. I hope you're watching. I joined here, then I have bent it like this. Okay, then you go, there are 4 pieces now, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but the middle one, when I sew, I teach you to do this. The 2 middle ones, hold them in, fold them very carefully, and ensure that the 2 outside ones are what you are stitching. Watch closely. Please watch it over and over again. You will surely understand it. It is very simple to follow. As you are sewing, you are pulling it out here so that you can get it to meet here. Please watch closely. You will understand it. Watch closely. Watch it over and over again. Take it slowly. You will understand it. Your aim is to understand it. You're seeing what I'm doing? That way, you will be able to grab the outer one. Watch it over and over again closely. It is very easy to do. You are seeing what I'm doing? That way, the 2 outside pieces will be exposed for you to stitch. I keep reassuring you, it is simple. Pull it out. Watch what I'm doing over and over again. This tutorial is simple and good to know. And note that the more you sew, the more you understand, the more you love sewing. It is not difficult. So as you are approaching the end, you leave a space of about 1 inch, depending on the thickness of the fabric you're sewing, so that you can bring out what you have sewn. I hope you are watching. Are you watching? Are you watching? Please watch closely. You can do it. Anyone can do it. If you have watched up to this extent, subscribe, because in this channel, every week, this is how we teach and learn how to sew in the simplest way. I have sewn it. I have brought it out. The next thing to do is to put the elastic. I am using 6 inches elastic. Are you seeing it? 6 inches elastic. Then I will use safety pin. Are you seeing it? Safety pin. To pass it through the chamber I have created. In order for this not to disappoint you and go in, you just discreetly hook it somewhere, pin it somewhere the way I did. If you have watched up to this point, it is just good that this tutorial has been helpful. Subscribe for more sewing tips. This channel promises beginners to teach you sewing of very simple ideas. Every week, this is how we simplify sewing. I hope you are watching. If you have watched up to this extent, subscribe. Take it in. Elastic has gone in. Let me close up that place. You can use needle to close it up. You can close it up using your sewing machine also. I prefer needle. Voila. If this tutorial has been helpful, please subscribe. Because every week, this is how we do it here. Simplified sewing. Thank you for watching.